Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for choosing to spend a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks. Everybody's in the house today. It is Sunday morning. It is raining. The forecast is just 100% chance of rain today. And but the temperature's not bad, 48 degrees, so I consider that a win. We have tons of work to do today. You can see me starting to pile it up over here. So the sidekicks have got to get busy. No rest today. I've got, I would like to do 5. It never really works out that I can get quite that much done. But we're going to try. We're going to try for at least 3. All right, but today I'm kicking off a what I wore outfit of the day video. That's what we're here for. And for today, I decided to try out those, as you guys were calling them, the party in the front and the relaxation in the back pants. They're so comfortable, so I wanted to see how they felt when I was running around today, trying to get stuff done, changing my clothes a lot, that kind of stuff. So I put those on. I like the fun running stripes going down the side in the navy and the blue and the white. So I paired it with this very comfortable long sleeve navy blue tee that I got at Anthropologie a while ago, like probably 5 years ago. It's just one of those nice long sleeve layering tees that just feel amazing on. And my cut from the cloth, a little bit distressed jacket, hello, yes, that I got in I think I got it in a Trendsend. And for shoes, I slipped on my little loafers. I got it a while ago from Nordstrom. They're Vince Camuto. And jewelry, I have on Touchstone by Swarovski. A Touchstone by Swarovski necklace and earrings. I'll show you the necklace a little bit closer. Zizi just wants to be close to the treats, huh? Yeah. Here's a closer look at the necklace. Love this one with that little bit of blue. And then I just have plain hoops on today. And I didn't put anything else on since we're going to be busy. We're going to be busy today, right? I know. Ooh. Xena doesn't like to work. Okay. Gotcha. Xena's ready for treats. Hope you have a fabulous weekend. And we'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Monday. And I am so late in doing this. It's almost 6 o'clock. And I'm just getting to outfit of the day now. And it's been a Monday, let me tell you. But the gang is all here. I was able to gather everybody. Originally, I had wanted to get a video done right now, but I don't have time. But I have 3 boxes waiting downstairs for me to share with you. I cannot wait to get filmed and get to it. All right, for today, I chose a jumpsuit. This is the BB Dakota jumpsuit from Trendsend. I thought I had a doctor's appointment this morning that I was going to have to get undressed for. So I thought, I'm going to go like really easy, a jumpsuit, hurry up, pull it off, pull it right back on, really super easy. And then I threw on this blazer by Liverpool that I got in, look at Xena, that I got in a JB Stylebox. Well, I get to my doctor's appointment first thing this morning, and I don't have a doctor's appointment. I'm like, what? Yes, I do. She's like, no, your doctor's appointment is for Friday at the same time, but Friday. I can't go on Friday. Anyway, so back home I go, and I didn't have to wear the jumpsuit today. I could have saved it, but it doesn't matter. I love this jumpsuit. It's awesome. Hello, I see you. She's getting closer and closer to the treats. And for shoes, I have on Dolce Vita gray booties. I think I've shared with you guys before. I got those at Nordstrom Rack. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace by Brighton. Earrings are Touchstone by Swarovski. And I have Stitch Fix rings on. And I think that does it. Yes, Wyatt. Did you have something to say? Didn't you hear him? All right, Xena wants a treat, and I've got to go figure out dinner now that I've waited so late, and I think the dogs are taking over. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody, it is Tuesday. We made it through Monday. The gang is all here. Xena's focused on treats, as usual. All right. Colder today, 19 degrees right now. It's going to get up to 37. I'm kind of in a blazer mode for some reason, but I've got like tons of meetings. I have 10 meetings today. So I figure I look kind of professional in my outfit if I throw a blazer on. So that's what I did. Plus I wanted to try this Armoire one because it's kind of still wintry and I'm ready to move to spring stuff. So I feel like this one's, you know, the color combo is still a little bit more for winter. So figured I would get it in now while it's still kind of, you know, cold in winter. What? I will get to you in a minute. Can I get my outfit out? Xena, behave. Hey. Okay. So for today, I have on a loft top. It's like a fancy tee in this burgundy color. Put on this BB Dakota blazer from Armoire. I really like it. I love the long line of this. It has the burgundy, black, and blue running through it. So I put on, you know, a light blue wash denim, which these are my Good American from a Trendsend. Love these. Good American is like the best jean. So comfortable. And then I put on my, what are you doing, buddy? Vince Camuto. I found something on my jeans he likes. My Vince Camuto booties that I got from Nordstrom. Love these too. And I put all my Rocksbox jewelry on again for this month because I have to decide today if I'm keeping anything or sending it all back. So I have the ring on, the necklace, as well as the earrings. I'm thinking I'm going to keep the earrings. So I think I'm going for. All right. Val, how may I help you? Xena, this girl is such a boss lady, aren't you? Okay. That's a wrap on Tuesday's outfit. Everybody have an amazing day. Wyatt just got an elbow in the head. I'm so sorry, buddy. Everyone have an amazing day, and we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday. We made it halfway through the week. Right, Z? How you doing? Zena's excited today. For some reason, she's all wound up. She wanted loving. She's been all engaged. She stayed upstairs. She's in a good mood today, huh? Wyatt's always in a good mood. Yeah, it's been a busy work week, huh? Lots to do. I've got several boxes downstairs for you guys I need to get done. But my first job comes first. We gotta get to that. Gotta do that first, right? All right, so what do we got going on today? So the sun is shining. It is warm outside, 45. It's gonna get up into the low 50s, which I'm loving. And I think that's for today. I think it's going to get down in the 30s again for a while before it warms up. But at least we're starting to, you know, it's March. We're starting to see some change. The sun's shining for a change. It's not quite so gray. We're seeing more of those days, and I'm loving it. For today, I chose a JB Stylebox outfit. So I think this was in my 2 boxes ago. This fun little sweater by, I don't know who this is by. What does this say? Kerisma. It's by Kerisma. It's a little dolman sleeve, bright pink, pretty sweater. Kind of wear it off the shoulder if you want. With my Z Supply little bralette and my Liverpool jeans all came in the same JB Stylebox. That's what I put on today. And yeah, that's what I put on with. And then I paired it with my, I think these are soft. Yeah, soft little floral booties. Love these. And my jewelry. Shh, we almost made it. Xena. My necklace is Lia Sophia. Do you guys think this is too much? I was trying to decide if I liked this still or not. So I put it on today to see what I was thinking. It's a lot, huh? It's kind of like big stones. And then I put on earrings that are also Lia Sophia. And so is my ring, actually. Everything is Lia Sophia today. So that's my outfit. So excited we made it to Wednesday because Tuesday and Monday felt really long. Really. All right. The princess wants a treat. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. I hear you. I hear you. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday. We almost made it to the weekend again. It's been another crazy week, and I am bringing the bling today. Today's the day I'm wearing my Armoire sequined top. How awesome is this top? We're having a virtual farewell celebration for a coworker today, so I decided to get, dressed up to help him celebrate. What do you guys think? This is gonna be fun. I have like 8 meetings today, so this should be an interesting conversation starter for these meetings. What do you think, Zay? You like it? Xena thinks it's too much. It's really nice because it's actually like lined underneath, so it's comfortable on. It feels like you're wearing a sweatshirt, but it's like the exact opposite of that, right? What do you think, Zay? Zena's in a good mood today. She's been in a fairly good mood. The weather's starting to improve, so it hasn't been quite so cold outside. There's no snow anymore, so she can walk freely in the yard. She's been enjoying that. Wyatt's a happy pup as usual, but exhausted, huh? All right, so for the rest of my outfit, I have on a pair of cut from the cloth jeans I got in a Wantable, I believe. And then I put on these fun little booties from Jeffrey Campbell in the snakes. I'm wearing sequins and snake today. Aren't those kind of fun? They're like a neutral. I'll show you a close-up of them. You want to see a close-up, ZZ? They're kind of just a plain neutral. And let's see, I only put on gold hoops today. That's it, because like the top just speaks for itself. You really don't need to do anything else. I think any additional jewelry would just be overkill. That's my outfit. I'm ready for a party. Are you ready for a party? Yeah? Hi, Wawa. You want to say hi to everybody? There you are. You want to say hi? You're too funny. All right. Well, I'm ready for the weekend, but we still have another day, and I'm going to get Xena and Wyatt some treats, and we'll be back tomorrow. You're too funny. Hey, guys. It is Friday. Yay. Woohoo. Want to do a dance, Xena? You want to dance for me today? I had Wyatt dancing last time. You want to dance? Do a little dance? What do you think? Xena doesn't like to dance. Xena just wants treats. It is Friday, and it is cold out. So let's see. Yeah, 28 degrees, no sun, cloudy. Not really all that nice. At least it's not raining or snowing, right? No rain, no snow, right? Oh, good. All right. So what are we wrapping up the work week with? Let's see. A chaser top, with heart tee from the Ever Eep store. I love these tees. They came in several colors. I want them all. This is the like pinky purpley version with the black heart, and I put it on with that jacket that I got super on sale from White House Black Market. I think it was like a $150 jacket I got for 40 something, 44 I think. It's nice and soft right here, like plushy. Feels like fur, and then it's like that suede material for the rest of it. Yeah, and it's like a moto style. And then I put it on with, I see ZZ's hair floating. Put it on with a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans from a trunk club. Hello, Wyatt. Wyatt's been talking. And let's see. For shoes, I put on, I know, DB8s from Shop Your Look, Stitch Fix. And jewelry. I have on Lia Sophia, necklace and earrings. And I've been wearing my Boxy Charm makeup. So I have on like that lavender color from one of the palettes. And what else? Hey, I tried that latest beauty product that just came in my Curateur, which was like the face cream that's supposed to like get rid of all the dead skin and stuff. And that feels wonderful. I put that on last night. I could actually feel it like tingling a little bit. Then you put your moisturizer on top of it. Really liked it. What else? What else has been going on? I know you just want treats. You're so one-track mind. What else? I can't think. All right. I know. It's crazy, right? My Curateur posted today. So that's Friday. So if you missed it, make sure you check it out. The Curator box is so fun. That used to be Rachel Zoe's box of style, so she rebranded it a bit. And it has the coolest stuff in it this time for the spring box, with like some interchangeable jewelry, a cute little bag, like the beauty product I just mentioned, which is so fun, or really nice actually. And they're always like super expensive products for, I think it's $99.99 a season. Hi, Wyatt. He's so distracting. You're being so cute. Yes, you are. You're being so cute. They're all trying to rush the treats. All right, let me get them treats. Happy Friday. And we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hello. Hey, everybody. It's the weekend. It is Saturday. Final outfit of the day for this video. And we're on it, right, YY? YY's got something on his foot. Xena's ready to play. Everybody's happy it's the weekend. We all get to sleep in a little bit. It is, what are you doing? It is a great day. Going to be a high of 36. It's only 27 right now. And for today, I have on, let's see, a jacket from Cut from the Cloth. Love this one. It's nice and cozy while it's still cold outside. And I have Cut from the Cloth, I'm talking, see? Cut from the Cloth jeans on. They're like the ankle flares. So I did a higher boot with them that is Seychelles that I got from Nordstrom. And then I topped it off with my Chaser AC/DC t-shirt from my Trendsend, right? From one of my latest Trendsends. Here you go, Ziz. You want to say hi to everybody? And jewelry, I have on it this necklace I've shown you guys before from the Ever Eve store. Hello, you want to say hi to everybody? Hello, yes. And my earrings are Glamour Jewelry Box. These are one of my favorites. Yes, hello. And I didn't put my rings on, I've realized right now, because I had a thought and then didn't follow through. But I think I'm going to wear my rings from my latest Curator box. Yeah, the fun little 3 stacking rings. I'm going to put those on for today. All right, that is my outfit for today. Everybody is all wound up, huh? We got out for a walk yesterday. They were so excited. Are you talking? Yeah, tell everybody you had so much fun, huh? Xena too? Yeah, you loved that, right? All right. Okay, wait. Almost time. Shh. Okay, so I will list all my items down below as always. If I can put links to the item, I will. Hey. Xena. Okay. All right. We'll just go straight to the treat. I'll put many of them come in boxes, so I'll put links to the boxes. There we go. And what else? If you enjoyed this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. Please share your favorite outfit. And I'd love you to hang for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. If you've already subscribed, thank you. From all 3 of us, we hope you have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.